Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a new video for you from the construction site. Here you can see this excavator is just dragging on the road surface to make it more rough. Why? What is the purpose of this? This technique is called road miling, and the purpose is that it is the preparation for laying the new hard bitumen layer on this road. So this is just preparing it for the new black top, and today it will be prepared and tomorrow will be the new laying of the hard bitumen layer. So here you can see these grooves. What is the purpose of these grooves? The purpose is that to make it more rough, and in order that the new layer can joint it tightly, and following the key and lock mechanism. So these grooves will be filled with the hard bitumen, and interlocking will just establish between these layers, the existing one and the new layer. So this way that will be made more intact. Now here this is the day 2, and the surface is already prepared. Next we will be having the laying out of hard bitumen on day 2. So here you can see the new bitumen are given with the heat, and they are just preparing to add a new layer to that surface that was prepared yesterday. Some part is already done. Here you can see actually a double layer of 2 or 3 inches is provided. And here I'm standing beneath the tree because the weather is too hot, and I'm feeling very hot today at this site. So that's why I'm making my video from this side. First the machinery is pouring these bitumen and layers, and then this compactor, this is a dynamic compactor, and it is supposed to compact that existing layer. And after this compact, the dynamic compaction, a pneumatic roller is used to compress and compact it more. So behind this you can see here, this is the pneumatic roller which has rubber tires. So I hope this video has added something into your knowledge. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet in the next video on site. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.